Today marks 1 year since a tornado tore across Arabi, killing 2 people and leaving a path of destruction. And this is video from that day. This is around Center and Benjamin Streets. And for reference, keep an eye on these 3 houses up here. Again, this is 1 year ago. That's the same 3 houses today. And look at how much the area has improved. Significant progress. But our Jordan Lippincott spent the day here, and she says not everyone is completely back.
Recovery efforts continue 1 year after a deadly tornado pummeled portions of Arabi, leaving a path of destruction.
I think I jumped over here probably about maybe 5 minutes after it passed, and it was horrible.
This neighborhood near Bayou Bienvenue is now full of empty lots, concrete slabs, and for sale signs.
We've lost several neighbors because of insurance. They didn't have enough money to rebuild and have now put their lots up for sale and have either gone to the North Shore or to further down in the parish, which is more affordable.
And about a mile away at Old Arabi Marketplace, owner Linda Catalanato is busy at work, barely missing a beat since the tornado, even though a part of her store was destroyed.
It took us a long time to rebuild because of difficulties with the house that went into the back of the building, and we had to wait for it to be demoed. But we were able to reopen the wing that was totally destroyed in December.
Catalanato says after going through the trials and tribulations of this past year, she learned something about herself.
I never thought myself to be that strong of a person, but I think to get through what this year has brought, you kind of have to, you know, put on your big girl pants and do it.
Jordan Lippincott, WGNO News.
And St. Bernard Parish still has links on its website for people to offer or apply for help.